Welcome to Akhil English Academy. This video is about 2001 to 2019 English PG TRB questions from Modern Literature Unit 4. In this video, we learn questions from the authors Bernard Shaw, Samuel Beckett, John Galsworthy, D.G. Rossetti, Hopkins, Thomas Hardy, Wilfred Owen, W.H. Auden, Stephen Spender, Henrik Ibsen, Nietzsche, James Thurber. 3 times questions asked in 2002 and 2003 about Bernard Shaw. TRB 2002. Question number 23. The question is, Bernard Shaw was greatly interested in the reform of dash. The options are spelling, grammar, syntax, dictionary. The answer is spelling. Bernard Shaw was greatly interested in the reform of spelling. TRB 2002. Question number 102. The question is, Bernard Shaw wrote this play on the subject of correct pronunciation. The options are Pygmalion, Apricot, Saint John, Major Barbara. The answer is Pygmalion. Bernard Shaw wrote this play on the subject of correct pronunciation. Pygmalion. TRB 2003. Question number 140. The question is, the Shavian alphabet consisted of dash. The options are 48 letters, 60 letters, 30 letters, 26 letters. The answer is 48 letters. The Shavian alphabet consisted of 48 letters. 2 times questions asked in 2013 and 2017 about John Galsworthy. TRB 2013. Question number 66. The question is, John Galsworthy's Footside Saga is dash. The options are sequence of 3 novels, series of plays, collection of poems, collection of short stories. The answer is sequence of 3 novels. John Galsworthy's Footside Saga is sequence of 3 novels. TRB 2017. Question number 30. The question is, who among the following is not Irish playwright? The options are John Galsworthy, Bernard Shaw, W.B. Yeats, J.M. Synge. The answer is John Galsworthy. Who among the following is not Irish playwright? John Galsworthy. 2 times questions asked in 2002 related to Samuel Beckett and Absurd Theatre, Martin Esslin. Question asked in 2002 related to the first coinage of the term the Theatre of Absurd by Martin Esslin. TRB 2002. Question number 117. The question is, who of the following first used the term the Theatre of the Absurd? The options are Martin Esslin, Nietzsche, Sartre, James Joyce. The answer is Martin Esslin. Who of the following first used the term the Theatre of the Absurd? Martin Esslin. TRB 2002. Question number 122. Who is the playwright noted for his absurd plays? The options are Samuel Beckett, Tennessee Williams, Arthur Miller, Bernard Shaw. The answer is Samuel Beckett. Who is the playwright noted for his absurd plays? Samuel Beckett. 2 times questions asked in the years 2002 and 2015 from the poem The Wreck of the Deutschland. TRB 2002. Question number 21. The question is: Inscape and in-stress have been used as effective forms of poetic language by dash. The options are T.S. Eliot, Ezra Pound, W.B. Yeats, Hopkins. The answer is Hopkins. Inscape and in-stress have been used as effective forms of poetic language by Hopkins. TRB 2015. Question number 19. The question is: in which of the following year the wreck of the Deutschland happened, as mentioned by Hopkins in his poem? The options are 7th December 1875, 17th November 1895, 17th December 1865, 7th January 1885. The answer is 7th December 1875. In which of the following year the wreck of the Deutschland happened, as mentioned by Hopkins in his poem? 7th December 1875. 3 times questions asked in the years 2002, 2003 and 2015 from the writers Wilfred Owen, W.H. Auden, Stephen Spender. TRB 2002. Question number 93. The question is: Wilfred Owen is generally considered a dash. The options are war poet, romantic poet, metaphysical poet, classicist. The answer is war poet. Wilfred Owen is generally considered a war poet. TRB 2003. Question number 52. The question is: the author of the poem In Memory of W.B. Yeats is dash. The options are W.H. Auden, Wilfred Owen, Stephen Spender, Hopkins. The answer is W.H. Auden. The author of the poem In Memory of W.B. Yeats is dash. W.H. Auden. TRB 2015. Question number 29. The question is: in all my dreams before my helpless sight, he plunges at me, guttering, choking and drowning. These lines are taken from Wilfred Owen's poem. The options are Dil se ye decorumist, Insensibility, Strange Meeting, Shadwell Stare. The answer is Dil se ye decorumist. In all my dreams before my helpless sight, he plunges at me, guttering and choking and drowning. These lines are taken from Wilfred Owen's poem. Dil se ye decorumist. Question asked in 2002 from Thomas Hardy's Jude the Obscure. TRB 2002. Question number 36. The question is: who wrote the novel Jude the Obscure? The options are Thomas Hardy, Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, John Galsworthy. The answer is Thomas Hardy. Who wrote the novel Jude the Obscure? Thomas Hardy. Question asked in the year 2001 from D.G. Rossetti's The Blessed Demoiselle, TRB 2001. Question number 20. The question is, The Blessed Demoiselle was written by dash. The options are D.G. Rossetti, Holman Hunt, Morris, Swinburne. The answer is D.G. Rossetti. The Blessed Demoiselle was written by D.G. Rossetti. Two times questions asked in the years 2003 and 2013. The questions are related to Henrik Ibsen and A Dollhouse, TRB 2003. Question number 144. The question is, who is the father of modern drama? Henrik Ibsen. Who is the father of modern drama? Henrik Ibsen. TRB 2013. Question number 48. The question is, Nora is a character in Henrik Ibsen's dash. The answer is A Dollhouse. Nora is a character in Henrik Ibsen's dash. The answer is A Dollhouse. Two times questions asked in the years 2013 and 2017 about Friedrich Nietzsche and historical sense. TRB 2013. Question number 60. The question is, dash says that the historical sense was an actual faculty of the mind, a sixth sense. The options are Nietzsche, Lionel Trilling, T.S. Eliot, Matthew Arnold. The answer is Nietzsche. Dash says that the historical sense was an actual faculty of the mind, a sixth sense. The answer is Nietzsche. TRB 2017. Question number 26. The question is, historical sense and the sense of art were viewed as one by dash. The options are Nietzsche, Matthew Arnold, Hopkins, W.H. Auden. The answer is Nietzsche. Historical sense and sense of art were viewed as one by Nietzsche. TRB 2019. Question number 91. The question is, identify the source that develops a distinction between Apollonian and Dionysian cultures. The options are Ruth Benedict's Pattern of Culture, James Fraser's The Golden Buff, J.C. Weston's From Ritual to Romance, Carl Jung's Psychology of the Unconscious. The answer is Ruth Benedict's Pattern of Culture. Identify the source that develops a distinction between Apollonian and Dionysian cultures. Ruth Benedict's Pattern of Culture. TRB 2019. Question number 125. The question is, what, according to James Thurber, is the quality which certain words and phrases have of suggesting a theme song like Heaven Lily O Mine? The options are tautology, teleology, thematology, thematic potentiality. The answer is thematic potentiality. What, according to James Thurber, is the quality which certain words and phrases have of suggesting a theme song like Heaven Lily O Mine? The answer is thematic potentiality.